What's up, everybody? Ben here. Today I'm going to put some Shock Therapy rear sway bar links on my RZR Turbo S 4-seat Velocity. Looks pretty simple. No big deal. Going to get rid of this plastic cover also and replace these links in here. No instructions, but I don't think it's really needed. I do have aftermarket suspension arms, but I don't think that's going to be a complication. It appears to be an aftermarket bolt that came with the HCR long travel, or I guess the HCR kit. But I don't see any issues. So I'm gonna take those off, both sides. Gonna clean up the look too. Here we go. All right, so got those on, really no big deal. I did have to trim these lower bushings down here. Here's a photo of them side by side. The right side is the way they come out of the package. The left side, I used a grinder, tried to keep that surface as flat as possible, but I had to shave down, I don't know, a 1/16 of an inch or something like that off of the bushing so that it would fit between the, the double shear side of that HCR long travel. I guess it was just a little tighter tolerance. It might have just been because of the powder coating, but anyways, there it is. Looks good. I'm just happy to get rid of that plastic guard and stuff. And then, of course, they're way stronger. So that's that. Simple, easy. Some good looking jewelry on your RZR. Plus it kind of matches the Shock Therapy shocks now. So good combo. That's all, quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.